Tigers are off again tonight after taking both games from the Reds and heading out west for a series with the A's. Before they departed, Ron Gardenhire had another post-game moment with his ringtone. Earlier this year, it went off on camera, revealing Kelly Clarkson as his song of choice. Guess what? It is still there.
You can call it whatever you want. Call it. We were little. There it is. There it is. You guys need any more than that? Right. Leave it.
Wow.
Who is that?
Is that your ringtone?
Is that Al? Minnesota? They want me back.
He is such a joy to listen to. Even after they lose, he is fun to listen to, and after they win, he's probably like, I'm so happy to talk and make some fun with any of this.